Welcome back. Some Home Guards selected to march in Republic Day parade are planning to boycott it. They are reluctant to participate in the parade because 190 personnel have not got their remittances since their recruitment in October 2014. Aggrieved Home Guards said that seniors and account department are not taking any interest to clear their dues.
Total 750 Home Guards have completed their training in September 2014. On 2nd October 2014, 190 Home Guard personnel were attached with Goa Police's PCR. Some of them had participated in Liberation Day's parade on 19 December 2014. But till date, most of these Home Guards have not got their allowances since their recruitment in October 2014. Dues include their day allowances and allowance to participate in Liberation Day's parade. Out of these Home Guards, some are again selected to march in Republic Day parade on 26 January. These aggrieved Home Guards on Wednesday met the officials of Accounts Department of Goa Police. Aggrieved Home Guards claimed that when they asked about clearance of their dues, nobody gave satisfactory answer. Home Guards claim that when they informed the officials that they don't have money even to travel from their homes to the posted place and parade rehearsal place, they informed us that the officials replied them rudely saying not to come for the rehearsal. Aggrieved Home Guards say that they don't have any option left now but to boycott the parade. According to the sources, this issue has been brought to the notice of SP headquarters Vishram Borkar, but no decision has been taken till now. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
District Magistrate is yet to decide whether to allow entry to Ram Sene Chief Pramod Mutalik in the state or not. Mutalik has been banned from entering Goa, has sought permission from the District Magistrate to stay in the state for 10 days. He has assured not to address any public meetings nor participate in any public function during his stay.
Ram Sene Chief Pramod Mutalik, who has been banned from entering Goa, has sought permission from the District Magistrate in Goa to allow him to visit the state. His counsel has written a letter to the authorities asking for a grant of 10 days stay in the state for religious purpose. The letter mentions Pramod Mutalik wants to visit Goa in February 2015. Total period of his stay will not be more than 10 days. Local police station will be informed about his residential address in state. Mutalik wants to visit temples and ashrams for religious purpose. Mutalik will not address any public meetings nor participate in any public functions. Mutalik ready to abide any additional conditions as may be stipulated for granting permission. We spoke with North Goa Collector Neela Mohanan. She refused to speak on camera, but off the camera informed. Mutalik's letter received, decision yet to be taken. The Sene chief had earlier announced to set up organizational unit in Goa in February this year and had also said that organization will make people aware against pub culture in the state. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has appealed the society to give special attention towards special children. Goa has 25 institutions which cater to about 3,000 special children. Parsekar said government is committed to welfare of special children. Special children need to be taken care for boosting confidence in themselves. 4 days film festival on disability is underway in the state.
Special children need to have special attention. They deserve special attitude from the society. And therefore, Sarkar 25 institution financial assistance दिता. सरकार वेगवेगळ्या योजनांसून आमच्याकडे दयानंद सामाजिक सुरक्षा योजना आसा जितूनसून 2000 ते 3500 रुपया per month we provide financial assistance per month from 2000 to 3500 depending upon the percentage of the disability per month. Probably this is the only government in the country. Besides grants to Brave Library or grants to physiotherapy centers, hearing aids are being provided, then wheelchairs are being provided to the extent of expenditure of 1 lakh, up to 1 lakh. पण सरकार ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली करता म्हणजे समाजाची जबाबदारी सोंपना. What is required from the society is special attachment, special attitude.
The festival will be held at different places in the state to sensitize people and students on various disability issues. We Care organization is conducting the film festival on disability issues in Goa for 4 days. Reporter Savio Dice for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.